The overall account is sitting at 59. Wait, whoa. Look how that just changed. Look at how it changed. Yo, we just cracked the 60. Yo, that's crazy. What's going on, YouTube? It's O'Neal from Tapped In with O'Neal. And yo, let's hop straight into it. You already know what's coming this week. $1,000 weekly investment. We're going to be going over the portfolio, seeing what changes I made. We're going to start out with the laptop, the view from the laptop, do our deposit in the laptop, and then we're going to switch to the mobile device because there are some features on the mobile app that don't show up on the laptop or desktop version of Robinhood. So yeah, just bear with me, and we're gonna hop right into it. Straight to business day, not wasting no time. All right, let's go. As you guys can see, the account is sitting at $47,000, $47,777.32 to be exact. As you guys can see, that just changed. But the reason, hold on, let me get rid of this. I don't know why that's there. The reason why that's changing is because even though the markets is closed, this is the weekend. We have crypto, so crypto trades on the weekend, as I've told you guys in previous videos before. But we hit 47 before the week ended. As you guys can tell from last week, we was at $46,000, and like I said, we gotta factor in recovery gains from what's going on with the market, and everything going on with the market. So we managed to get to 47,000, and that's what the account is sitting at right now. As you guys can see, the buying power is sitting at $40,000. We got $40,000 of buying power. Right, that's not all my money. That's some of it is Robinhood's money. That 36,000 is margin that I can utilize to make whatever trades I want to make. You guys know the trades that I'll be making. But my individual cash is sitting at $3,545.47. Right. And yeah, that brings our total up to $40,273.46. So yeah, let's go ahead. Let's not waste no time. Oh damn, I'm about to sneeze. Hold on, give me 1 second. Man, that was a delayed sneeze. But all right, let's go. Let's not waste no time. Let's go straight to the deposit. You guys know we're depositing $1,000 on a weekly basis into the individual just once review transfer $1,000. Continue with standard. Yes sir. Let's get straight to it, man. See what the account is sitting at. All right, deposit initiated. All right, now as you guys can see, the account is sitting at $48,792.23. Oh, that just changed. The individual cash is sitting at 45 and 47 cents. Margin total went up. Did it go up 2,000? Or am I bugging? Did it just go up 2,000? I think it was at 40, if I'm not mistaken. I think it was at 40,000. Now it went to 42,273. Yeah, let's go ahead and switch over to the iOS or the mobile device version of the app so I can show you guys the features and show you guys a more updated view on what's going on with the portfolio. Because it doesn't, for some reason, on the desktop version, it doesn't allow me to show you guys the options trades that expired. So it's not showing it how I would like to show it. So yeah, so we just switch over. So bear with me and stay tapped in. Alright, so I got the mobile device pulled up, the mobile version of it pulled up. You guys can see we're sitting at $48,784.88. And let's go ahead and review what's happened within the account this week. See how we've been doing on the week. We gained 1,400 and we're up 3% on the week. So that's just pretty good. That's like amazing. Like we've been performing, the market's been performing really good. If you guys don't remember, where was it? We had about 600 shares of Snap. So some of the shares of Snap got called away, and then we got assigned some more shares. I'll show you guys what that looked like and what exactly happened. And also from that previous video where we made that $1,200 in under 4 minutes, that video, those options expired, so we got that money back deposited into the account, and we have $0 in margin right now. We have $0 being utilized for margin. We are just all cash right now, plus Robinhood's cash, my cash plus Robinhood cash, and it just makes a nice combo. That's how we make that cheese, you know what I'm saying? So as you guys can see, the options, we're up $766 on the week. On the month, let's see what the month looks like. Up $1,700 on a month playing these options. Like, yo, we've been knocking the markets. I'm not gonna lie, we've been knocking the markets. Like, so let's go in and see exactly what trades. I only put one option play for last week, and that option play was the 8.5 Snap put, and those are the shares that I got assigned. You guys can see Snap is at 8. It closed at 8.41, so it was close to not, being above the money or being out of the money, but we ended up getting assigned anyways, and I made this play literally within this same week, so that's what ended up happening. But the other Snap shares got called away. We had 600, so that would have been a total of 800 shares. So we got 600 shares called away. We had a call, an $8 call right here. This is the $8 call. Well, we sold 600 Snap shares at the $8 strike price. So we didn't gain all of that. What can I say? We didn't gain all of the premium or the profit that we would have gotten had we sold the shares at the $8.5 strike price. But at the end of the day, it didn't hit the $8.5 strike price. And my goal was to just collect the premium and just get the shares out of my account, or get rid of the shares so I can get more cash back into my account, because we are going to be making some serious plays this week. So you guys want to stay tuned for what plays we're going to make. Make sure you turn on post bell notifications, subscribe, man. Come on, like, support your boy. Yo, like, we've been making moves. Look what's going on. So like, we got Nvidia. We had the $98 put on Nvidia. Remember, I've made a video on this put where I pretty much gauged what was going on with Nvidia. Nvidia's sitting at $114, so that put expired worthless. We just got to collect that premium. I'll go down and show you what the premium looks like. What was the premium? We've been buying it back into Nvidia too, so yeah, we collected a $410 premium on this Nvidia put that we sold. That was like about 2 weeks ago. And then also Snap, we made $124. Even though we got assigned the shares at the $8.5 strike price for Snap, we collected a $124 premium. That was within this week, so that was pretty good. And then the calls, we made $378 from the call on the premium. I'm not sure how much we made from the profit, but. And then also, remember, I've been telling you guys about JetBlue. Yo, JetBlue has been doing great. Like, JetBlue's been doing its thing. JetBlue is one of those low-key stocks that I've been telling you guys about for weeks. Look where JetBlue is sitting at right now. JetBlue is sitting at $4.75. I've been selling puts on it at the $3.5 strike price. I've been dropping videos and telling y'all, look how much we gained from the premium on this. We gained $480, a $480 premium from JetBlue. And the put expired worthless, so we got to collect all that money and didn't get assigned any shares, and we got the money deposited back into our account, all cash. Like, come on, y'all. Like, who is doing this stuff, man? I'm telling y'all, like, yo, it's kind of getting easy to read the markets, especially with the turmoil going on. You gotta anticipate what's going to happen. Like, stocks are being really undervalued right now, so you gotta understand that there are certain price levels or support levels that you can gauge. This is why I tell you guys to do your own due diligence and, gauge which kind of stocks. Don't just copy my trades, because, I haven't really lost. I haven't lost on any trades The only time I lost was, and I don't really count it as a loss, was when I rolled the SMCI put at the 30, I think it was at $33 strike price, and I rolled it down to the $31 strike price, and that was before Liberation Day. So we all couldn't anticipate what was going to happen for Liberation Day. I'll try to see what where it was at. So yeah, oh actually it was at 40. It was at 40. It was a $40 put. So I had to roll it all the way down to $31 if I'm not mistaken, and that made me have a loss of 384. But other than that, look at the puts that we've been gaining. You know, we're just gonna keep running it up, and that's what's gonna happen. Yo, stay tuned for what's gonna happen. Oh, also, we had this. Let's go review our Roth IRA. So yeah, we've been having these investments automated. I think we put like about $8 into SCHD and JEPQ every single day, and I think it's about $5 for a QQQ on a weekly, if I'm not mistaken. Also, here it goes. So yeah, we got about $6 going into QQQ each week, and then we have about $8.40 going into SCHD and JEPQ individually every single day. So yeah, that's what the Roth IRA is looking at. The Roth IRA is sitting at $1,377.53 to be exact. And in the traditional IRA, this is something that we just got deposited into the account. If you guys didn't check out that video, make sure you guys check out that video where I got this rollover completed. So we sold a put. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, there goes the option. So we sold a put, a $106 put on Nvidia. We made a calm $131 off this one put. Easy money, yo. Easy money. Easy money. So we up 130. We went up 130 on the week for this put, and we're going to be selling more puts. This is an all cash account for my traditional IRA, and the overall account is sitting at 59. Wait, whoa, look how that just changed. Look at how it changed. Yo, we just cracked the 60. Yo, that's crazy. I like how I delayed, and it teased me a little bit because we did do our $1,000 deposit. It went from 59 to 60. So we cracked the $60,000 mark. It's a new milestone for us. Like, yo, can we get a W in the chat from, you know, a little clap up, a little celebration, a little something. So we cracked that 60. Yo, we gonna keep running it up. We gonna hit this, crack this 100K by the end of the year. Like, I promise. I'm gonna make it, like, I'm gonna try my best to do that for you guys, yo. Crack this 100K. The first 100K, they always say is hard, the hardest part. But once you crack that 100K, it's it's up from there. So yeah, man, like, this is what the total account is sitting at. We got about almost $14,000 in crypto, which is another thing that I'm about to diversify. As you guys know, I'm down on crypto right now. So as soon as crypto recovers, this account is also going to go up even further. I'm down on the Ethereum, but my Bitcoin is still up. My individual holdings is at 30,000. Individual cash is sitting at 45. Retirement is at a total of $12,121. So yeah, these are all of the holdings within the account. And yeah, I don't want to make this video too long. I think we pretty much covered everything. Oh, hold on. Should I cover it? Hold on. Let's see if I can cover the dividends. I don't know if it will allow me to show it. All right, so it's allowing me to show the dividends. We don't get too much paid. This is not a dividend focused account, even though we do have some dividends. But yeah, we have some dividends getting paid out, and this is what we have. Pretty much all of them are being reinvested. And remember that YMAX put that I sold, that we ended up getting assigned the shares at the $13 strike price. Yo, I think I'm gonna hold on to YMAX. We got 1,300 in YMAX as the market value, and we got over 100 shares, and it's been paying. I didn't even know that YMAX paid out every week. Yo, it's been paying us some decent dividends. It went from $13 to $17, and this is on a weekly basis. So like, this is what I'm saying. There's different ways to make money, and I think I'm gonna hold on to YMAX. These YMAX shares, give me an extra bit of money, and I might actually double down and add more shares to it. So yeah, like, that's just one thing I wanted to talk to you guys about. But I'll scroll through this. I don't want to spend too much time on the dividends, but these are just some of the dividends that I've been paid. We've getting into JEPQ. You guys can pause the video if you need to. But yeah, we've been getting into JEPQ. We haven't got too much from JEPQ yet, but expect more from it. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm going to wrap this video up. I appreciate y'all for staying tuned. If you stay to the end, please go ahead and like the video, subscribe, turn on your post bell notifications. I'm excited, bro. I appreciate the love and support that I've been getting on this channel. Like, words can't express how much I appreciate y'all. Even the little things, like, I really do. Just go ahead and hit a like button, hit a like, so this video can get out there more. And without further ado, it's Tapped In with O'Neal. Signing out.